Hello po sir. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening kung anong oras naman po ito mapanood. So ako po si J. Mark Raqueza, taga Ordaneta po sir. And ang teacher ko po noong ako po ay nag-net 101 ay si Sir Jeric Bautista Licedo. At ang natutunan ko po sa kanya sir is yung mga basics lang, mga straight through, mga ganun lang sir, paglalagay ng IP address, pagko-connect, yung mga ganun lang sir, basic. Then vision, a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission, University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shape ethical trailblazer, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values, uprightness, excellence, and passions. Yun lang sir. Thank you.